Hello, grade 3. Welcome to our new science lesson. We are still in Unit 6, Fossils. Lesson 2. What do fossils tell us about the past? Our objectives for today: to analyze terrestrial and aquatic animals in their natural habitat, to notice and observe the consistent patterns that help understand whether an animal is aquatic or terrestrial. What does aquatic mean? Excellent. Something that exists in or on water. My lovely students, open your books on page 373. Question 3. Make a claim about how each of these organisms ate by drawing a line from each image to the caption that describes the organism. I want you to look at the images and let's read the captions together. These organisms had feathery arms that caught food particles as they floated within reach. These organisms had tentacles that they used to catch their food, such as fish. These organisms used their powerful jaws to catch and eat sharks and other fish. Okay, I want you to match the images to the correct captions. Are you ready? Let's do it together. Picture number 1 is excellent. These organisms used their powerful jaws to catch and eat sharks and other fish. Do you see their powerful jaws? Very good. Picture number 2. Excellent. These organisms had feathery arms that caught food particles as they floated within reach. And the last picture. Excellent. These organisms had tentacles that they used to catch their food, such as fish. Can you see the tentacles? Very good. Now I have some questions for my clever students. Do any of these animals look similar to animals alive today? Excellent, yes. One of the animals looks similar to a lobster and another looks similar to a fish. The one with tentacles looks a bit like a squid. In what type of environment do the living animals live? Excellent, very good. They live in an aquatic environment. Last question. How does knowing the environment where the modern animals live help you determine where the ancient animals may have lived? Again, how does knowing the environment where the modern animals live help you determine where the ancient animals may have lived? Very good. I can assume that animals with similar body structures lived in similar environments. Now, let's go to page 374. Ancient terrestrial ecosystem. Take a look at this terrestrial or land ecosystem from 50,000 to 11,000 years ago. Learn more about these organisms and how they may have interacted with each other. We are still on page 374. Use the descriptions below to label the organisms. Let's read the descriptions together and label the organisms. A. This ancient bird was over 1 meter in height. Its wings were almost 3 meters in length. Its legs, neck, and bill were all long. Which one is A? Excellent. We are talking about the ancient bird, which was over 100 meters in height. Its wings were almost 3 meters in length. Let's go to B. A saber-toothed cat is best known for its long, sharp front teeth. Where do you see sharp front teeth. Excellent. This is the saber-toothed cat. Now, C. By studying plant fossils, scientists have learned that plants from 50,000 to 11,000 years ago may have looked different from modern plants, but functioned in much the same way. Very good. This is C. The last one, D. The dire wolf was about the same length as present-day gray wolf. Excellent. This is D. You have done great job. What modern-day animals may be related or are similar to the animals shown in the image? Yes. Elephants, lions, tigers, wolves, and dogs. Now please go to page 375. Fitting in question 6. Use the images to answer the question below. I want you to look at the following images: dire wolf, ancient fish, oak leaves, feather, star. What modern plants and animals might be related to the fossil remains shown in the images? Excellent. Wolves, dogs, modern fish, oak trees, living crinoids. Which organisms lived in water and which lived on land? Brilliant! The organisms that lived in water are ancient fish, feather star. The organisms that lived on land, dire wolf, and oak leaves. We are still on page 375. Question 6. Compare these organisms from aquatic and terrestrial ecosystems. What characteristics help the organisms live in their environment? Aquatic organisms had fins and tentacles to move. Excellent. Underwater. Some aquatic organisms had limbs to filter food. Some land organisms had to move around. What did they have? Legs. Trees had to let them use the sun's energy for food. What did they have? Leaves. Don't forget to copy the answer in your book. My lovely students, you have done great job. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Bye bye.